How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode we do another product review, and in this case the company Ancel sent me this OBD2 scanner AD510. Link is gonna be in the description for this one. And I know I did these reviews on these products a few times already, but this one is really easy to do and I like it. So far I think this is the best that I had because it's just so simple to use. And if we go to the main screen, car is on the on position. We can check the code, we can check how the system works. This product can check even the oxygen sensors and batteries, which is amazing. That's why I like this one. You see the green arrow, that means that everything is okay in my car. I have no problems. Once you click enter again, you're gonna go to read codes, erase codes, IM readiness, data stream, freeze frame. You can record your frames, what your car is doing. You can go to O2 sensor test, onboard monitoring, and evap system. It's gonna check even if you have leaks on your system. So if you can see right there, my car has no leaks on the evap system. We can go back, hitting escape. We can go to O2 sensor test, bank 1 sensor 1, bank 1 sensor 2, but this car is not support. It's a 2000 Honda Accord, so cars with newer cars, you're gonna be able to check it. Okay, so you cannot do that test on my Accord, but I know that you can do it on newer vehicles, which is really good. So it has all those things, and if you can see the green arrow, you again means that the car is doing okay. No problem so far. DTC lookup, you can check codes, it's gonna give you the definition. Review, you can record and review what your car is doing. Tool setup, you can print data, and you can check your battery too. So if we press on the battery now it says 11.9 volts. Let's turn the engine on. Engine is on, 14.1 volts. So if you can say right there, I think the battery still have 50% life. So even you can check your battery with this thing and check O2 sensors and the evap system. You can check many things with this thing. Let me turn the car off. Okay, engine is off. We can go back and let's see. We go back here to the system where you can check the system. Also with this new Ancel AD510, I think I get with Ancel, probably want to do a little giveaway for you guys on one of these. So let me get with them, and it depends on whatever they said. We probably want to do a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. Okay, now that we are on the diagnostic menu, we can go, let's see, on IM readiness. Ignition spark, everything is on green. Remember that I replaced my EGR. I'm gonna put the episode right here when I replace my EGR. The CAT, CCM, the fuel, everything it checks okay on my car. So before we had that problem with the EGR, now everything is clear. And Ancel is the company that they sent me the other product to check the batteries, which is really good. And now they send me this thing. On the other hand, this is a 2010 Toyota Corolla. You see we have the X in there, so that means that there is a problem. You want to check the code. So the evaporation emission system incorrect, P0441, and the second code is P0455. Might be a leak on the system or just the gas cap. Most of the times it's the gas cap. pending code. No pending code. DTC. So we have two codes in there. EGR and everything is alright. And I believe it's just the gas cap, so we're gonna check that out. And on here we have the HRT. Wanna look into that, see what's going on with it. In here you can check the airflow, master flow sensor, oxygen sensors. You can check the RPM, vehicle speed, air intake temperature, ignition time in advance for number 1 cylinder. Man, this device has everything. Now if you want to check here on board, you can just go there. Even you can check purge flow, sensor heater. You can check misfires. Let's see if this car have any misfires. Cylinder 1, no misfire. Cylinder 2, pass, no misfire. Cylinder 3, no misfire. Cylinder 4, no misfire. So this car doesn't have any misfires, but this is a really good feature. If you think your car has a misfire, you can check it with this little device, which is really good. Now let's check the evap system. So it says that it has a leak somewhere. So let's go back to the core. So guys, what do you guys think about this new product? I think it's really good for the price. You can beat the price because it's really affordable. I hope you like this episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.